welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me again. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Marisol. That's Mateo. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? Okay. Oh, he's heavy. Diles hi. Diles hi. Diles hi. Diles subscribe to Mommy's channel. Diles hi. Anyway, that was Mateo. He's over here playing with Diana. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Marisol. Thanks so much for tuning in again. This is the look I am bringing to you guys today. It's a cute pink look. I didn't use any eyeliner. It was all shadow. And I know I did go a little bit bold with the lippy, but I couldn't find my nude one, so I just had to go with this one. And the items that I used on the video is literally the James Charles palette by Morphe. I used this palette and I literally just used these two brushes. That's it. That's the only thing, that's only two things, well, three things that I used to do this look or make this look. The lashes are by Bella Lashes. If you guys haven't checked them out, you should. I will go ahead and leave a link down below so you guys can know. She does have an Instagram as well. She is a small business-owned woman, business-owned lash brand, and it's, I mean, they're very, very great quality, as you can see. They're really, really nice. And if for whatever reason the lashes don't look good, do not blame the lashes. Blame me, because I am learning how to put lashes on and whatnot. So I'm gonna show you guys here because I'm just gonna fast forward the video of how I did this look, so I'm not gonna narrate the colors that I did. So this nice light pinky shade with this nude color, these two I used for the upper lid to create that I guess you can say the base color. Then I went in with this really nice mauve purplish color, and I did this all around my outer V, into my inner V, and then just all the way around, just creating a nice little V. And then I did this cute shimmery peachy color. It's not too glittery, which is totally fine, but I used this all around my lid. Then I went on to this nice dark purple, and I popped that only on the outer V, so just around this section to create a little bit more depth and more definition, and more like, I didn't want to use black. I didn't want it to be like a harsh look. But yeah, those are the only items I used for this look. So if you want to see how I did it, please keep on watching. ¿Me trajiste dinero? Nos vamos de shopping. Siempre pues. ¿Dinero? ¿Sí? finished look. I just popped on those lashes from Bella Lashes in the, I believe it is in the style Sweetie. So yeah, they're so cute. And then the lipstick, Mateo just threw it to the floor, so I can't tell you guys what it is. I'll leave it in the link below. In the description box, I'll let you guys know exactly what I used on my face. But yes, look at these lashes. They're so cute, aren't they? If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys subscribe. Bye.